Testle.
Testle.
And cannot say no.
Yemi Kumodoi, Mamusuji.
And train the Lani, Peba Jane, Dende Mamushidani, didn't punch any saw on the bushless line.
The Tour Shan or Toda Jadan, Gochun's wall. Tamarani, Dingin, Maxis Mola, Tamangulero, Yama Mongolian, Dilo, first and response, the Dingin, Chigi, made a shame in the road. And the first and Tundu Ramano or so, but for a mother, she goes in the Southern Symbol in Chinatown and Jamaica Chalaru Shado, that you want to real Tibet to Trisha, and I want to go to work. This somebody turned out, I need some question about somebody, how would begin my some question about the driver, shopping this year, happy lesser late. Hajin Hagovana, the export shadow, the green name, Songa, the Harini, Miri Mangu, the name is on the summer, Hago. When the only halfway, you say the word result of what the Mujini saw the big goat also continuing put in addition. I would do some good.
Any DC could she mean I did
I did Mera in something Hindustana the student union does China some good and Chitani sure made the children as well as student union support in the Doya. The day she is a the Doya. Me individual she another Kali Shujang. So what is in a piece of the Lairo? When you switching at the item in the Lairo, in a switching a position.
The NC Chigurlana and myself, the one for one Chigura. And Paul, which you could have done now, what is the captain's only Serachi Gigi is in a relay?
Okay, and Sopa Seragi, Sopa Cheva, and Sopa and Masorgi Sopa, Nizalani and Yintapan Tojanang Lairo. Which is a Mutin Chirona. In the Tondalani, Mazoki Pevagi, Chidan Peva meeting Minu, they said that the minorities are super raw. This is the Tondala Hare, Mazuki, knowledge level at Mazuki culture, the traditional Chabudo, one hour, the Marchibuna, myself, National International Summer Chaburo. I mean, someone is a Nizalani in Tapan Tojanang, they go to
just delay. Any other drink Chashira, other didn't follow on my Zula, any Peggy, any Gero, Lumda, and the Chili 400. The color does go to choose any number of those in the Missy and the Peggy, the time, I think Peggy to around the Predator Manu de Nea, the Calota, Chigi, the Prevalani, Chigi, Calota. Toy doors and Mijora, then the Mindy Toy Omara, and the Namida Mada, Chigi, Linda Judge, and Peggy get up, and they are now to do and Peggy Chigi, any the Durga Sama Tisha, and big ocean so the Tony Sambalani, the Halota, Toy Namida Mada shoes, the Missy, the Shemato Jera, the Mada shoes. And the Kotichi Simba, Najala idea. Oh, my son Peggy to Harisha, Namina Kunsugi, Instagram, Mina Tagura, the Nichi Kotik in the Yoa, part in the Tonswa, and the ring was to talk to Unora, then I'll do any Peggy orders, talk to me, so provide to the Garan, the Prevalent, she does have and then the Molana, any Garan in Mabu, Prevalent, and half of one in Mabu, then one another, the March, the Halot, the she Samarochi, then I leave her, and they do not to budget in the Yoran, how great any Chira, what the Niki, and Nara Niki, and it's so big ocean.
Hello, Tashidale Tenzilla.
And so, like, what's your experience about this Tibetan culture exhibitions? Like, can you share some experience?
Okay. Firstly, I want to wish all your viewers and my Tibetan brothers and sisters, Losar La Tashidale. So, Losar is just around the corner.
Yeah.
So, I want to wish everyone a happy new Tibetan year, a Losar year of the wood snake. Yeah. So, many congratulations for that. And this is a wonderful initiative. So, the Tibetan culture has taken root in the land of Karnataka since the 1960s. And thanks to beautiful settlements in Karnataka, in Hubli, Mundgod, and in Bailkuppe near Kushalnagar, Mysore. Both are thriving communities with a very rich variety of Tibetan cultural aspects of monastic life, traditional cooking, handicraft, and studies and all that. So it's very happy to see that being represented at a beautiful place like Nexus Mall. So young generation here, they want to come and experience a lot of things. They usually do it in the form of capitalist culture, shoes, watch, mobile phone. So in a place like this, to orient them towards a richer culture
Yeah.
in the form of the teachings of His Holiness,
Holiness.
in the form of the cultural artifacts that you
Yeah.
have there, and even cute things
Yeah,
like
the
stickers,
stickers
and
and
keychains.
everything, yeah.
So it is very wonderful.
Yeah.
So I congratulate you and commend
you so much, yeah.
on your job. So this is, I think, a new chapter in Indo-Tibetan relationship.
Yeah, yeah.
So as the young people of both cultures grow, it is very important to make a connection and build bridges forward.
Yeah.
So long live Indo-Tibetan friendship. Long live His Holiness the Great
Dalai
14th
Lama.
Dalai Lama, and long live the Nalanda wisdom tradition of India and Tibet. So Sangmala Tashidale Jule Tujeche. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Megha.
Meka.
Yeah.
Okay, like, do you have any idea about the Tibetan culture or like Tibet? No.
I don't have. I know who you are. The Tibetan culture. I know Dalai Lama. I know. We went to your Golden Temple also.
Oh,
that
Palagopi.
Kushal Nagar
Yeah,
is there.
Kushal Nagar, yeah.
But I don't know anything. But deeply, I don't
Deeply,
know. Any knowledge
okay,
about
okay. That much is enough for us. Okay.
it. Yeah, we know.
And like, how's your experience about this Tibetan
Yeah, we
culture
are looking there.
exhibition?
Yeah, we are looking for this, and my husband is talking to your volunteer and all.
Like, what do you feel about this all beautiful dress and
Yeah,
this
it's nice.
all?
It's nice.
It's nice. So like, can you share some experience about this? Like, how you feel about?
No,
all
but I
this?
think is you are doing very positive work, and they told us about the flag,
Yeah.
the symbol of positivity,
Yeah, yeah.
this blow by the air
Yeah.
to reach all the souls and all.
Yeah.
So,
Like actually, it's the peace or compassion,
Yeah.
like something like that. Only. Yeah.
actually,
Okay.
we went to that Gaya,
Daya, where I don't know. Where?
near to Allahabad and all. The Buddhist temple
Yeah, yeah.
is there, Gaya.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Bodh Gaya.
Yeah, both.
Oh, Varanasi
Yeah,
is there,
yeah,
right?
Varanasi.
Yeah, yeah.
We went
You
there.
went there?
Yeah, we went
Oh,
there. All,
nice.
we visit all your temples.
Oh,
All your
thank you. Okay, okay. Thank you so much for
thank
your
you.
experience. Hi, namaste. मेरा नाम तेंजिन कुंगी है. आपका नाम क्या है?
Shweta.
What?
Shweta.
Shweta. Okay, Shweta, nice to meet you. अब जब अभी आए ना आप तो
हाँ जी जस्ट
जब ऐसा एंट्री करके ये सब देखकर क्या सोचा लाइक फील क्या हुआ लाइक
काफी एम्बुलेंस अच्छा है नाइस
yeah you know like Tibetan before like
No,
this
no.
whole culture no it's first time right
यस फर्स्ट टाइम
then how's the experience like when you see
Awesome.
those
Awesome.
awesome yeah
I see on your videos
oh
small videos Nexus
Tibetan videos like
Yes, yes.
okay
तो उसको देख के मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ देखने के लिए
हाँ, तुमको पता है जो हम लोग का दलाई लामा
हाँ?
you know दलाई लामा like
No,
do you
no,
have
no,
any
no.
idea no
नो नो
okay ये हमारा गुरु जैसा है गुरु he is like spiritual leader our Tibetans okay